Burgers and samosas, delicious? Yes. Are they deadly? Absolutely. Every bite is a sugar, fat, and a calorie bomb, which is slowly eating your liver, heart, and your vital organs and is increasing your waistline. I'm Dr. Aloy Mukherjee. I work as a senior consultant in the Department of Minimal Access, Robotic and Bariatric Surgery at Indraprastha Apollo Hospitals, New Delhi. Today we'll generally discuss the ill effects of fast foods in the population. In India, the fast food explosion, thanks to our Zomato and Swiggy, is impairing the health and lifestyle of our population in a big way. These food contains unhealthy saturated fats, unhealthy oils, calories, empty calories, sugars, salts, preservatives and whatnot. They can seriously impair your vital organ function, mostly the heart, the kidneys, the liver, and cause inflammation in your body, causing obesity. They are not the go-to food, not the snack which we can normally think of, healthy option, or something which can actually kill you over the years. So a 20-minute leisure time can be costing you 20 years of your life. So before you take the bite, think twice. So in order to stay fit and a fitter you, it is better to shun the fast food, go in for healthy option like millets. Millets are there everywhere. India is a country where millets are grown ubiquitously. It is everywhere. So choose millets, choose foods that may not be so tasty in your taste buds, but definitely they'll help you live a longer life.